Hello everyone, we're going to be doing LeetCode question 704 binary search. It's an extremely basic algorithm that all programmers should know. And we're going to be doing this as part of LeetCode 150's problem list. And we're going to cover every single problem that is on this list on this channel. So let's go ahead and so we're going to be coding it in Java, and let's read the problem statement. Given an array of integers num, which is sorted in ascending order, and a integer target, write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return the index. Otherwise, return -1. Okay, so you must write the algorithm in log n time. Runtime complexity, so we're going to have to do binary search, which is log n, because we're dividing the array each time. We're dividing the search area each time. And let's see. So what was one way to do it? So sorted array targets 9. We would loop through the array. So loop through the array and find the target, which is 9. And that index would be 4. So as states right here, 9 exists nums, and it's going to return number 4. And so what's the time complexity? We do just a linear time search through the array, which would be O of n, which is not optimal. So let's go ahead and code the binary search. Let's see. Okay, let's go with, we need left value, which is equal to 0, right value, which is equal to num.length, and we need a mid value, which we set to, we don't even need to set it right now. We'll just set it in the while we're in the loop. So what else do we when we're in the while loop? So we need a while loop while left is less than equal to right. So why do we need this? So when does the loop terminate? So let's see, when the right pointer passes, let's say for in this scenario, in this example, the right pointer is at 3 and the left pointer is at 5, since it will not satisfy this condition, it will jump out of the loop. So even the value is, if both left and right pointer are at the value 3, then it's going to still run through the logic in here. So that's the reasoning behind it. And let's continue our code. So if if nums at I, no, let's see, if nums at mid equals target, then return the current mid index that we're at. So return mid. So we're gonna need a condition at the top right here as well. So we're gonna have set mid. So mid is left plus right minus left divided by 2. So reason why left plus right divided by 2 would get the mid value, but so why do we have this parenthesis right minus left? So this has to do with overflowing in numbers. So this solves that problem. So we're gonna have that in our solution. So let's see. So else if let's see, num at mid is greater than target. So so the value at the mid, so let's say this is our first iteration and we're at 3. We're saying that this number right here is greater than the target. So since it's going to be sorted, we don't want any values from the right side of the array, and we want the so we know the search space would be on the left side. So let's get rid of the right side of the search space. So how do we do that? We do let's see, nums greater than mid, nums mid is greater than targets array. So we're gonna do let's see, mid minus 1. Suggest a value before this, so our array pointer is gonna be at 0. And then we're gonna go with else statement. So what else? So opposite of that is going to be, we want left pointer. So it's gonna be, the value is gonna be somewhere in the left. So we're gonna take the values away from the left. So we're gonna do mid plus 1. And lastly, let's see, we're gonna have to return -1, as if we are unable to find a value. If we do find a value ahead of time, we're going to return that index right here, and let's go ahead and try to run it. Okay, there's a compilation error, so let's see, nums, so we did nums. Okay, so let's try to run that. Okay, perfect, so it ran, and let's try to run it. Okay, so what is this problem? Nums at mid, so num mid equals target, return mid. So it's saying index out of bounds. I'm not really sure what the issue is. Alright, let's just go ahead and make the solution. Alright, so let's see, what's this? Final lower bounds. One way to do it, find upper bound. Okay. So let's see, else if is nums greater than target. Same logic here, we're doing it the same. So what is the difference here? Nums mid equal target, return mid. So why is it giving this out of bounds exception error? See, discard this or have, so we did the check, this bottom check. They're doing a check above here. So let's go ahead and just copy and paste, and let's do this. Okay, copy and paste. Let's try to run that. Okay, it's saying, okay, so mid is already, so we don't want to create the variable every time. It saves a little bit of time. So okay, wow, that says mid is out of bounds still. So what is the problem? So apparently the only problem in here apparently we decide to, you don't want to declare it out here, mid variable apparently, so we're going to declare it in here, and it works. Okay, that still gives you 6 out of bound, but that we basically have, oh, okay, my bad, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so the problem wasn't because of declaring. The only thing different now, what we had was correct. It's just that since the array starts at index 0, so it's gonna be less than 1 length. So yeah, it's not gonna be up to the length of 6. So that's the problem. So that should work. Let's see, can't find the value mid. Okay, mid right here, and I should pass the test cases. And yep. So all right, everyone, thank you.